What we're really passionate about is improving business processes. So this might just be taking a 4-step process down to a 3-step process. This might not sound like a lot, but if it's a repetitive task that's performed every day, over time, this can add up to significant value. With job management, the challenge is that every company is different. Everyone has their own separate needs. But what we're finding out in the marketplace is that there are still many companies out there that are using outdated systems. So things like job boards, paper run sheets, Excel spreadsheets, even software applications that might do the job, but they're not connected to the rest of the system. So this is the reason why we spend a lot of time building our integrated job management system. What it means in simple terms is that all of your operations can be managed under one login, under one roof, as opposed to having to use separate applications, certainly Excel spreadsheets and any sort of paper. The guys can receive their jobs fully electronically and everyone's happy and it's a lot easier to do.